You're good.
It's going back. Well, look at that. Just let it come down on that blanket.
Do it on this one. I think that's.
See how much.
You get the big bar.
Yeah.
Tell you what, it would be nicer.
Actually, I'm gonna be okay. So we'll just shovel this.
Probably it.
You know, it's funny because there's really not that much weight under here. I'm literally, because you're putting all the torque there.
Here,
You were. There's been.
just by as much as you can.
There's been a few that have been like permanently sealed,
I'm just gonna give it a bit with this. Yeah.
and so we had a cowling shed, and so they took off, and then they came back and landed right on the
Drove
same
over
road.
something at the gate, and they were like, "Come on out," and he wouldn't shut the engines off for 30 minutes. And then he's like, "Okay." You can reach it and seal. So yeah, what do you think? I guess
I hope she has insurance on her car. Yeah.
What's wrong with it?
the holes that it mounts with are stretched, and he didn't want to take the time to turn it and drill new ones.
If they're supposed to line up, then you're gotta go that way.
You can't turn that.
You're right.
Swing low.
That seems kind of tight right off the bat, huh?
There's a red line. Keep going. Right. Keep going. Red line's about right there. So you got to go another.
There's a red line on this side too.
Yeah. A little more right. Right. More right. Don't just pass it. Here comes the red line right there. Popeye babies.
That one to there?
2, 3, 4, 5,
Not
6.
been around that far. You're about 2 inches to go.
That's 2 inches? Your wife has been lying to you.
Three holes. 2 holes.
Oh, there's 2 red marks.
Well, this is going to line up with a hole. That's
Yeah,
it.
2 more holes it will.
Yeah. You ready?
Let's look for oil pressure. Okay.